Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and it's always important to drink water every day. This half-gallon jug from Unistar store is going to equip you to be able to fulfill all your water needs for the day. I personally really enjoy having a half-gallon. That way it's easy still to transport, to get around, but it carries a significant amount of water that if I'm out for the day, I don't need to be constantly stopping and looking like, oh no, where did my water go? I like that it has a handle, so it's easy to carry if you're walking around with it. It's also the size of it, since it is a half-gallon, can fit into like if you have like a backpack or sports bag or things like that. The lid securely goes on. There is no, watch. There's no leakage at all. You can just hear it, but nothing's happening. That's right, it's leak proof. My favorite things though is that it has a dual system of how you would like to drink your water. So I am a straw girly, for sure. I enjoy drinking my water through a straw. It's just easier, but sometimes you just need to be able to chug some water. If you need a new water for sports, for everyday use, this is going to be a perfect companion. If it's a half-gallon amount of water, so that way you are ready to go all day, it helps remind you where you are in your water intake goals and handle and 2 different ways of being able to drink your water. That way you have no excuse for not staying hydrated all day long. So check this out, and that's my point of view.